the other day when it was really cold. Had the turbo heater up under there running. So this is to keep me dry. I got wood down there to work on, as you can see, so keep me out of the dirt, and so I can keep dry and keep warm. This is my bay.
Oh yeah, this is your bay, your open air bay with tarps. Obviously, you see we have an outbuilding. It is a standalone freestanding garage, but it's not big enough to put this Freightliner, and we don't even have a paved floor. We only have river rock gravel. We don't even have a concrete floor in this standalone garage. And we've lived here for 20 years. We've been in this house for 20 years, and we've never been able to make that a priority to get concrete in that outbuilding, which we've wanted to do for years, but other things are more pressing at different times.
So now what I'm gonna do is put this tarp up there that way and put that one over the top of that tarp. The water will roll off.
But the way you had
I had it, it just went underneath.
would have just gone underneath.
And everything would have got wet, and that would have defeated the purpose.